Hi everyone, how's everyone doing this afternoon? I'm Vineet, founder and CEO of Reflective AI. At Reflective AI, we are building computer vision-based solutions to measure complex and unstructured operations on a construction site. This data enables stakeholders to reduce project costs and delays using concrete metrics rather than rely on incomplete data and guesswork. To measure is fundamental to managing any system, we all know that. Without measurement, you cannot really improve a system. However, did you know that over 70%, an overwhelming 70% of the tasks on a construction job site are unstructured and really hard to measure? And this is a pain I've felt in our own family business, where a project goes over budget, it gets delayed, and the contractor is never able to give the right answer or anticipate these issues. Now let's meet Ryan, who is a project manager with a general contractor. Ryan handles multiple $40 million projects at the same time. Ryan's challenge is lack of visibility into manpower, machinery, equipment. Without the right data, Ryan finds it hard to do timely decisions, and that leads to delays. And delays are expensive on the job site. Exactly how much? On average, $40,000 per day. How do we help Ryan? We empower him with concrete metrics that enable him to track progress in real time and also reduce delays. So this big of a problem is a huge opportunity for us as a startup and for you as investors. It's $10 billion for general contractors in US alone. Let's zoom in on how we solve the problem for Ryan in a little bit more detail. So we use video camera feeds from crane cameras or ingress points or on poles. And we take this in, we apply image recognition, identify people, equipment, material. But wait, that's only half the story. What really differentiates us is the action recognition. We identify their interactions, capture these on a site map in terms of metrics for Ryan to consume and take quick action. We're excited about the pilot, $40,000 pilot we're running with a global construction company. And the problem with IoT-based solutions is that they have cognitive capacity limitations. For example, it can't distinguish a truck carrying soil versus aggregate. And there are integration challenges. So what we do, to give an example, on a site you have multiple excavators, and too many of them are creating piles, and not enough of them are loading dump trucks. That's a bottleneck. So the project manager gets notified through our solution, and he can relay to the operator so that there is more balance between different excavators. Or some excavators are idle, and the dump trucks are showing full utilization. Again, balance it by adding more dump trucks. So these are the kind of actions which lead to a 15% reduction in equipment and labor costs. And given the low profit margins of 5%, that leads to a significant boost for the bottom line for the general contractor. And that's just one of the pilots in just the last 4 months. We're working on multiple pilots. We have several customers in the pipeline. And we're seeing a lot of pull. People are coming to us and asking us if we can apply the technology for their benefit. So really exciting, and the team gives us an unfair advantage. I have been in the trenches. I was founding member of a unicorn startup. I also founded a computer vision startup. We have Pramod, who is a construction expert. Ayush is our deep learning guru. Professor Jason Corso is a renowned computer vision expert. He's also advising us. Now is the time. We have validated the problem with over 100 customer conversations. Executives are really interested in solving this pain point. And given the reducing cost of cameras, especially even 360-degree cameras, have become so cheap that, in fact, I have some of them at my booth when we meet later. So we are in the right position to use these feeds and apply action recognition to understand operational insights, which image recognition cannot really do. And so in short, we are building a category-defining product. And based on the fact that we have a strong team, traction, and we're solving a pain point in an underserved segment. Construction is seen as kind of boring, not enough smart people go in there, and so there's a lot of problems to solve, and we're really excited. So we're raising our seed round, and we invite you to be a part of our growth. Look forward to speaking at the booth. Thank you.